Welcome to my YouTube channel, The English Progress.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I always have breakfast before starting my day.
What do you do after waking up?
After waking up, I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I try to exercise for 30 minutes every morning.
How do you feel after a morning workout?
I feel energized and ready for the day.
Do you check your phone right after waking up?
Yes, I usually check my messages and emails.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast, eggs, and a cup of coffee.
How long does it take for you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me about 45 minutes to get ready.
Do you prefer tea or coffee in the morning?
I prefer coffee to start my day.
Do you commute to work?
Yes, I commute by bus.
How long is your commute?
My commute is about 30 minutes.
Do you have lunch at the same time every day?
Yes, I usually have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What do you usually do during your lunch break?
I usually eat my lunch and take a short walk.
Do you have meetings or classes in the afternoon?
Yes, I often have meetings after lunch.
What do you do to stay focused during work?
I take short breaks to stay focused.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I prefer working in a team.
How do you manage your tasks?
I use a to-do list to keep track of my tasks.
What time do you finish work or school?
I usually finish around 5 p.m.
What do you do after getting home from work?
I usually relax and have a snack.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I cook dinner most evenings.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I usually have a balanced meal with vegetables and protein.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I like to watch TV after dinner.
How do you spend your free time in the evening?
I read a book or listen to music.
Do you go for a walk in the evening?
Yes, I often go for a walk after dinner.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 7 p.m.
Do you prepare for the next day in the evening?
Yes, I lay out my clothes and pack my bag.
Do you like to spend time with your family in the evening?
Yes, I enjoy spending time with my family.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Do you have a different routine on weekends?
Yes, I usually sleep in and relax more.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to go hiking or visit friends.
Do you do any household chores on the weekend?
Yes, I usually clean the house and do laundry.
Do you spend time with friends on weekends?
Yes, I often meet friends for coffee or dinner.
Do you have any hobbies you enjoy on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy painting and gardening.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Yes, I often do my grocery shopping on Saturday.
Do you watch movies or go to the cinema on weekends?
Yes, I love watching movies on weekends.
Do you like to sleep in on weekends?
Yes, I usually sleep in until 9 a.m.
Do you travel on weekends?
Sometimes, I take short trips on weekends.
Do you plan your week on Sunday?
Yes, I usually plan my week on Sunday evening.
What are some long-term goals you have?
I want to travel the world and learn new languages.
Do you have a regular fitness routine?
Yes, I work out at least 3 times a week.
How do you manage your finances?
I keep a budget and save a portion of my income.
Do you have a routine for learning new skills?
Yes, I take online courses regularly.
How do you stay organized in your daily life?
I use a planner to keep track of my schedule.
Do you have any yearly traditions?
Yes, I take a family vacation every summer.
How do you balance work and personal life?
I make sure to set boundaries and take time off.
Do you volunteer or participate in community activities?
Yes, I volunteer at a local shelter once a month.
How do you stay connected with friends and family?
I make it a point to call or visit them regularly.
What do you do to relax and unwind?
I meditate or take a long bath to relax.
Are you looking for a new job?
Yes, I'm currently searching for new opportunities.
What kind of job are you interested in?
I'm interested in a position in marketing.
Have you applied to any companies recently?
Yes, I applied to 3 companies last week.
Do you prefer working in a small company or a large corporation?
I prefer working in a large corporation for more opportunities.
How do you find job openings?
I usually search online job boards and network with professionals.
Have you updated your resume?
Yes, I recently updated my resume to include my latest experience.
Do you prepare a cover letter for each job application?
Yes, I customize my cover letter for each job.
What is your desired salary range?
I'm looking for a salary in the range of $50,000 to $60,000 per year.
Do you prefer remote work or working in an office?
I prefer remote work for the flexibility it offers.
Have you had any interviews recently?
Yes, I had an interview with a tech company last week.
How do you prepare for a job interview?
I research the company and practice common interview questions.
What do you wear to a job interview?
I usually wear a formal suit to a job interview.
How do you handle difficult interview questions?
I stay calm and try to provide thoughtful answers.
What is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength is my ability to work well under pressure.
What is your biggest weakness?
My biggest weakness is that I can be a perfectionist, but I'm working on it.
Why do you want to work for our company?
I admire your company's innovation and commitment to sustainability.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself in a leadership position, helping the company grow.
How do you handle stress at work?
I manage stress by staying organized and taking regular breaks.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, could you tell me more about the team I would be working with?
Have you received any job offers recently?
Yes, I received an offer from a marketing firm yesterday.
How do you evaluate a job offer?
I consider the salary, benefits, company culture, and growth opportunities.
Are you planning to negotiate your salary?
Yes, I plan to negotiate for a higher salary based on my experience.
Would you accept a job with a lower salary if it had great benefits?
It depends on the overall package and job satisfaction.
How soon can you start a new job?
I can start within 2 weeks of accepting an offer.
Have you ever turned down a job offer?
Yes, I turned down an offer that didn't align with my career goals.
Would you relocate for a job?
Yes, I'm open to relocating for the right opportunity.
Do you prefer a permanent position or a contract job?
I prefer a permanent position for job security.
What would make you accept a job offer immediately?
A competitive salary, excellent benefits, and a great work environment would make me accept an offer immediately.
What are your main responsibilities in your current job?
I manage client accounts and develop marketing strategies.
Do you enjoy your current job?
Yes, I enjoy the challenges and the team I work with.
How do you prioritize your tasks at work?
I prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance.
Do you manage a team at your job?
Yes, I manage a team of 5 people.
What tools do you use to stay organized at work?
I use a combination of digital calendars, to-do lists, and project management software.
Do you set goals for yourself at work?
Yes, I set both short-term and long-term goals to track my progress.
How do you stay motivated at work?
I stay motivated by focusing on my goals and celebrating small achievements.
What do you do when you face a challenge at work?
I analyze the problem, seek advice if needed, and find a solution.
How do you ensure high-quality work?
I double-check my work and seek feedback to ensure high quality.
What are your career goals?
My goal is to advance to a senior management position.
Do you plan to further your education?
Yes, I plan to pursue a master's degree in business administration.
Do you attend professional development courses?
Yes, I regularly attend workshops and online courses to improve my skills.
What is your greatest professional achievement?
My greatest achievement was leading a project that increased our sales by 20%.
How do you handle feedback at work?
I appreciate constructive feedback and use it to improve my performance.
Do you have a mentor at work?
Yes, I have a mentor who guides me in my career development.
What skills are you currently working on?
I'm currently improving my leadership and project management skills.
How do you plan for career advancement?
I set clear goals, seek new opportunities, and continuously learn new skills.
What motivates you to succeed in your career?
I'm motivated by the desire to achieve my goals and make a positive impact in my industry.